Eyewitness Weather Forecast.
Good evening, meteorologist Sam Masasi here with your check-in on the weather. We started off this morning in the lower teens, though we did manage to get into the upper 30s by the afternoon hours with mostly sunny skies throughout the day. For current conditions, we're sitting at 33 degrees and we have calm winds. And for our low temperatures tonight, we're going to be getting into the teens in the North Country and the lower 20s here in the Mohawk Valley. And for our high temperatures tomorrow, slightly cooler than what we saw today. And for more on that, I'll send it to our chief meteorologist, Colleen Hurley, back in the studio. Colleen?
That's right. Thanks, Dan. Everyone was able to get above freezing today, at least in most spots. But tomorrow we'll be topping out just near the freezing mark. 32 is the high in Utica, 30 in Cooperstown, only 27 in Old Forge tomorrow. But this is actually near exact what we would expect at this point in the month of February. Our normal high temperature right now, our average high temperature in Utica, 30 degrees. So 32 right near normal, exactly what we would expect. Now we are going to see temperatures back down into the teens tomorrow night. We have a lot of thawing and freezing happening as we head through the week this week. Temperatures warm above freezing during the days and down just 2 or below freezing in the overnights. Make sure you keep an eye on the icicles around your house. Watch for any ice damming. That could become an issue here later in the week with all this freezing and thawing. Now you'll see on the futurecast tonight, we're nice and quiet. We'll have mostly cloudy skies late night, but we stay nice and dry. And then the wind shifts overnight. And tomorrow, that's going to kick on some lake effect snow. Most of it's going to be very light. We're expecting little to no impact really from this snow. But you'll see here tomorrow afternoon, evening, we're dealing with some off and on lake snow that will eventually be winding down and moving off to the north tomorrow night. So most places just looking at a dusting, if anything, up to an inch at the most tomorrow. Really, really low impact there. Overnight tomorrow night, we're quiet once again. That snow comes to an end and we'll have a little bit of sunshine. It looks like Wednesday morning. Clouds will be thickening up though in the afternoon, and then a few scattered showers possible here late Wednesday afternoon. You'll see it's warm enough at that time for rain in the valleys, but snow in the hills. Most of Wednesday will be dry, but we've got that chance for a few of these coming through later in the day, and a better chance for some snow with some rain mixing in expected for us on Thursday. Now tonight we're mostly cloudy. We do have a chance for a little bit of fog to develop late night tonight, and temperatures get down into the low 20s. Tomorrow's a little bit cooler than today. We'll manage low 30s at best. We've got some lake effect snow falling with really just a dusting, it looks like, for us there. We're down into the teens tomorrow night. Then 40, it looks like we may be able to manage on Wednesday. Little chance for rain and snow there, but more snow expected Thursday. And Thursday, you'll see our highs 38. So we will see some rain mixing in with that snow, it looks like, Thursday in the afternoon and evening. Quiet Friday, but another storm hits for Friday night and Saturday with another chance for some rain and snow there. All these storms are pretty low impact, just one right after the other. After Saturday, cold air settles in. Highs only in the 20s for Sunday and Valentine's Day. Jamie?
Thanks, Colleen. Here's a look.
Now, your Eyewitness Weather Forecast.
Not a bad day for us today. We had some filtered sunshine, lots of melting happening this afternoon as temperatures got above freezing. And check out the beautiful sunset we had at the end of the day. Just enough clearing to the west right at the right time made for a beautiful sunset there, setting after 5 p.m. now, but our twilight lasts until after 6 p.m. now. And you'll continue to notice that over the next couple of weeks, gaining about 2.5 to 3 minutes of daylight each day now. We're chilly out right now. At Griffiths, it's already dropped down to 18. Lots of places in the lower 20s. Still, the wind is calm. The sky is clear. Those two things together are a recipe for all the heat that's on the ground to radiate out into space. So that means we'll continue to see temperatures drop here over the next several hours. And we'll see a lot of refreezing of what was melting earlier on today. And keep in mind that the bridges can freeze before the road does. Keep that in mind for black ice concerns tonight. You can see that the road is actually kept a little bit warmer by the ground that it's on top of. When you have the bridge, you're getting that cold air flowing under the bridge. That's going to cool the bridge down quicker than the surrounding ground around it. Again, teens and low 20s later on tonight, so watch out for those slick spots into tomorrow morning. And in the afternoon tomorrow, not going to get quite as mild as we did today. Not as much melting, only 28 in Old Forge tomorrow, 32 in Utica, 30 in Cooperstown. But this is exactly what we would expect for this time of year. Temperatures are right near normal, about where we should be here at this point in the month of February. Now, you'll see on the futurecast tonight, it's actually overdoing the clouds a little bit right now. We're clear at the moment. We will see more clouds rolling in by daybreak tomorrow, and then we're dealing with some snow showers. The wind shifts tomorrow. That's going to kick on some lake effect. They'll be very light and very off and on throughout the day tomorrow. Not going to impact your day really at all. Still dealing with a little bit of snow falling during the evening commute tomorrow, but then it's going to shift to the north and start to wind down as we head through the night tomorrow night. and will be quiet again by the daybreak on Wednesday. We are looking at some nice sunshine here on Wednesday morning, but we'll see clouds rolling in for the afternoon. Small chance for scattered showers here late Wednesday afternoon, evening, about 5:30. It'll be warm enough for some rain in the valleys and snow in the higher hills at that time. We are expecting more in the way of snow with some rain mixing in on Thursday. Most of Wednesday ends up pretty quiet. Tonight we're quiet as well. It'll be partly cloudy later tonight. Small chance for a little bit of fog. Otherwise, we get down into the teens and lower 20s. And tomorrow we'll be up to about 32 in Utica. We've got some light snow falling, but really a dusting, if any. We're not expecting much to accumulate. It'll be a fairly quiet day. Same for Wednesday, just that small chance for a shower or flurry late in the day. Thursday, we've got some snow coming through with some rain, though, also mixing in. Look at our temperature up to 38 Thursday afternoon. Friday's a break, but another storm hits us Saturday. That will once again be some snow with some rain mixing in. It looks like highs in the 30s there. And after that, temperatures drop off to only the 20s for Sunday into Valentine's Day. We've got more Eyewitness News coming up after the break. Sports is next with David Edelstein. Stay with us.
Witness weather forecast.
Coming off of a really nice weekend this weekend. We had a pretty good day today as well. Temperatures warmed above freezing, so we saw some melting. Really good icicle season right now. And look at the beautiful sunset we had to end the day as well. We did have some filtered sunshine. The sky opened up to the west just at the right time here for a beautiful end to the day, sunsetting after 5 p.m. now. And temperatures have already dropped into the teens and low 20s. We're sitting at 22 degrees at the thermometer at Griffiths at the moment. And we'll get down into the teens later on tonight. So watch out for any black ice, any slick spots that may have refrozen from earlier on today. And tomorrow, not going to be quite as warm as today, but this is exactly what we'd expect at this point in February. 32 in Utica tomorrow, 27 in Old Forge, 30 in Cooperstown, right where we should be at this point in the season. Now you can see on the Futurecast tonight, it's overdoing it a bit with the clouds right now. We actually have more clear skies at the moment, but we'll see partly cloudy skies late night, and the wind shifts overnight. That's going to kick on some light lake effect snow for us tomorrow. This will be kind of off and on, and really just a dusting expected to accumulate, if any. We'll still be dealing with that snow in the evening tomorrow around the evening commute, but then snow will shift into the North Country and eventually wind down tomorrow night for a nice quiet day Wednesday. Wednesday morning we'll have some nice sunshine, it looks like. Gets cloudy for the afternoon, and then we have a small chance for some scattered showers late in the day Wednesday. Warm enough for rain in the valley. You'll see some snow in the higher hills, but again, very little accumulation expected there, and it will be warm for some of us on Wednesday. And again on Thursday, we're expecting some snow with rain mixing in, so a pretty similar situation here off and on Thursday. Tonight, though, we're quiet. We've got partly cloudy skies, small chance for a little fog. Otherwise, we're down into the teens, and it's a pretty quiet night. The wind will shift for us for tomorrow, and then that kicks on a little bit of light lake effect snow, maybe a dusting, if anything. Highs in the low 30s. Pretty typical February day. We're down in the teens again tomorrow night, so you'll see that refreezing happening up to 40 on Wednesday. Again, mostly a dry day Wednesday, but late in the day, a couple of showers are possible. Thursday's a busier day. We'll see some snow falling, some rain mixing in the afternoon. We do get into the upper 30s there on Thursday afternoon. Friday, we're only in the mid-30s, and we've got yet another storm coming on Saturday. Looks to bring us more snow with rain mixing in, but then we drop off in temperature. Highs only in the 20s for Sunday and Valentine's Day. That's Monday of next week. We've got more Eyewitness News coming up after the break. Stay right here with us on WUTR.